With Chief Architect, you can create and save grouped cabinets for kitchen configurations or for kitchen islands. You can find prepared grouped cabinets in the Chief Architect bonus catalogs, either under grouped islands or under grouped kitchens. Once you've found the one you want to use, you simply select it and then click in your plan to place it. Once it's placed in the plan, it'll behave as a single object. You can select it and move it with your temporary dimensions, or rotate the whole group. You can also use the Explode Architectural Block tool in the Edit toolbar at the bottom to explode it into its individual components for further editing. Using prearranged cabinet groups can save you a lot of time in the design process. If you have created a group of cabinets that you would like to save for future use, you can block them together as your own architectural block and add them to the library. To show you how to do this, I've merged together a group of cabinets. Then I'll create a custom countertop. Creating a custom countertop is easy in Chief Architect. I'll go up to the Cabinet Tools Parent tool and select Custom Countertop. Then I'll click and drag a rectangle to define the countertop. Once the countertop is placed, you can then shape it like a polyline. I'll use the Break Line tool and break it on each side of the apron sink. Pull that edge back. Then I'll create a rounded edge by selecting this edge and clicking on the Change Line to Arc tool. Once I have the configuration looking exactly as I want it, you can select the objects that you want to block together by clicking on one, holding down your Shift key, and selecting the next. You can also use the Active Tool Selection mode. If I click on the Base Cabinet tool, then hold down my Shift key and click and drag a marquee around everything, I can select just the base cabinets. This is very useful if you have other objects in the group that you don't want to select, like the light fixtures or the furniture. If you want to select the entire group, you simply click and drag a selection marquee. Once you've got the group selected, you can click on your Make Architectural Block tool in the Edit toolbar at the bottom. This will block them together as one unit. You can also add them to your own library by clicking on the Add to Library tool. Once it's added to the library, you'll find it under your User Catalog folder. I'll rename this by right-clicking and click on Rename. Now, if I'm in a new plan, I can simply select my island and then click in the plan to place it. Again, it will act as a single unit, or I can explode it for further editing. With Chief Architect's ability to create grouped cabinets and save them to the library, you can save time by utilizing the work you've done in one project in future projects.